Hey guys, welcome to Code Canvas, your go to destination for web development. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to level up your skills, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the building blocks of the web with tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, WordPress, and many more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to discuss one WordPress AI feature that is coming in next few days or months, Telex AI. Recently, WordPress has introduced an experimental AI tool named Telex, and it is announced by WordPress co-founder and automatic chief executive Matt at the WordCamp US 2025 conference in Portland. So, what is Telex? Telex AI is a smart and easy to use tool that helps people build WordPress websites without needing any technical skills. It is designed specially for beginners who want to create WordPress websites quickly and without learning how to code. One of the best thing about Telex AI is that anyone can use it, whether you are a student, a small business owner, or someone with no technical background. Telex AI makes WordPress website building simple and accessible to everyone. Telex AI offers a smooth and guided process to help users build WordPress website faster and with less effort. Telex AI is an experimental tool for WordPress. So, as of today, this is in experiment. This helps users create WordPress websites, by simply typing what they want, like galleries, slideshows. Instead of writing code or manually designing pages using plugins, users can give instructions in plain language and Telex AI takes care of the rest. Using Telex AI, users can easily generate Gutenberg blocks like text sections, images, and columns just by describing them. This will make designing a website much faster and easier. Telex AI allows users to create website content by simply typing what they want in form of prompts. Based on these instructions, it automatically builds the right website blocks like images, text, or even layouts. Telex AI can add simple animations to your website, making it more engaging. These animations help bring creativity and interactivity to your pages without needing any coding skills or design skills. Also, you can create creative marketing advertisements. Telex AI can help create marketing advertisements as well. By using prompts, users can design advertises in sections that showcase products or services. So, how to use this Telex AI? So, in order to use that, first of all, you need to visit the website and using the input prompts, you need to enter or you need to describe the desired content block. Once you deliver the instructions, Telex AI will create downloadable zip files in terms of plugins, WordPress plugins. And you can use this downloadable zip file in any WordPress installation, whether it's a WordPress playground, a browser based environment, or your local host, or any websites where WordPress is installed. You can use these blocks as a WordPress plugins. So the mission, the WordPress is on a mission that WordPress wants the websites to be accessible to everyone without a barrier like coding. And as you might aware, it supports multi languages and it is also an open source, right? So Telex AI help users create website easily without technical skills, and that's a goal, right? So what's the future of Telex? As of today, this is still an experimental and it is going on testing and continuous performance and improvements. So in near future, you will see major updates and improvements in Telex AI. And one dedicated AI team from WordPress is working on this specific development of Telex AI that you can access using https telex.automatic.ai. All right. So as of today, this was a quick introduction. Once I have the access of Telex AI, I will create another video that will show how exactly this Telex AI works. All right. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tricks and tips. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next video.